All right, Monkey Love fam. All right, it's Beck and Jason. We are here at our local Five Below, and we are going to do some cruise essential shopping. We're going to turn this into a little bit of a challenge. We're each going to have $30, and we're going to see who can get the best or most cruise essentials for that $30. Now, if you're not familiar with the Five Below, they are nationwide, and it's literally in the name. Everything is $5 or under. Yeah, they do have some other stuff that are over, but for this purpose of this challenge, you got to stay under $5 or five and below. So there we go.
It's in the name.
It's in the name. So what we're going to do is once we are done, we are going to go back to the studio. We're going to film it, and we're going to have you guys be the judge on who got the best cruise essentials. So make sure that you comment below for us. All the help, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're going to have some fun. Let's go.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.
All right, welcome back to Monkey Love Travel. Okay, we had a lot of fun. We were in Five Below. If you're not familiar with Five Below, it is much like a Dollar Tree, but everything is $5 and under. Yes, they do have other items that are a little bit higher priced, but for the sake of this challenge, we stayed with everything under $5 or $5 and under. We're not counting tax. Technically, tax put us over the $30, but as far as cruise essentials go, this is definitely shopping on a budget. And I think a lot of people can really save a lot of money by checking out their local Five Below or their local Dollar Tree. So we wanted to have a little bit of fun, have a little challenge between the two of us, invite you to comment, subscribe, do all that great stuff that'll help out the channel. And then let us know at the end, who do you think got the better cruise essentials for A, value, and B, maybe what fits your scenario better. So let's go ahead and dive straight into it. I'm going to go ahead and go first. I'll show you the ones that I got, and then Bex is going to show you the ones that she got, and we'll let you be the judge. So without any further ado, let's start off with the first thing I got were these magnetic cable ties. There's no twisting. You just basically put them around your cables, whether you're taking USB cables, your obviously for your charging your phone or your watch or whatever you're going to charge. You can just wrap these around it and they hold together magnetically. I don't recommend using them when your stuff is plugged in, though. It could cause interference. The magnets could cause interference. The second thing I got was this little wristband. All right, so it's stretchy. It has a little hook on it. So what I was thinking is, we saw on one of our other cruises, some people don't like to have lanyards around their necks. You can get if you're already on Carnival, they already pre-punch your card, so you have a little hole you can just hook it onto, and then just put this around your wrist, and you've got your C-Pass card, much like this.
Shout out to Kate, because that's where he got the idea
That's
from.
That's exactly right. All right, my third item is I picked up these little citronella bands for all the bugs. You're going on an excursion, sometimes they're buggy. These are going to come in handy, and there's 6 of them in a pack. So I thought that would definitely be handy. It would be for us and some of the things that we do. And with the kayaking we like to do, and sometimes we like to go on a hike. These are definitely helpful there.
For real? No, just kidding. I'll retrieve it when it's time.
The other thing I got is we like to play Uno, so I picked up these this Beetlejuice Uno deck, and apparently there's like a special feature with these. So if you got some downtime and just wanting to enjoy spending some time together and want to play a game, you got your Uno cards. Let's see. Next thing I got was this laundry bag. So it just unzips.
Put your laundry in and presto, it's done.
Wouldn't that be awesome? Just throw your laundry in there. We tend to throw it in something and just throw it under the bed into our suitcase. And also, this will help, give you an idea. If you plan on getting some laundry done on the ship, I believe this is roughly about the same size as one of their paper bags um,
Probably.
that you can send out to have done. So it's got a little tie on it, so you can zip tie it. Throw some dryer sheets in it if you're not washing it, and help keep the odor down when you get back.
We've
Oh,
also discovered it's always handy to have an extra small bag that can be tucked away
yeah,
for
absolutely,
anything.
for any reason. This here was kind of like, I know Beck always has like she likes to hang her razors up in the shower and stuff like that. There's never usually a whole lot of space in the showers to do things. So this is a what is this?
It's
A suction cup
It's a
magnet
makeup
or
holder.
makeup brush holder. It's got the suction cups on the back, so I just figure you can put this on the wall and then hang your razor up. Yeah, I wish it probably don't need all of these, but I think it was like $3. I'm not sure exactly. It's under $5, so
Women will always find more things that can be hung up.
there you go.
Honestly, there's lots of things that'd be nice not to have to dig through bags for. So
So and it's small. You can just tuck it somewhere in your suitcase, and it won't take up a lot of space. And then the last thing I got was one thing that we use, at home as well, and it's the phone protector. It seals it out from any water, and this one here also happens to float.
and you can just hand that to me because I'm
So
gonna take control of it as soon as
yes,
we're
you
done.
will, because you need to replace yours that you've had for
Yeah,
the last year and a
mine
half.
doesn't have a cute crab on it anyway.
That's
so
true.
I would
So
still take
yeah,
that one.
Baltimore theme there. So that's all I got. That was for my $30. I think I did pretty good, but we're gonna find out what Beck got and see if she outdid me. But again, you guys be the judge.
I don't know if there's an outdoing. I don't think I chose nearly as practically as you did. Go figure. So, and actually, a lot of what I picked, you'll recognize. There's sort of a theme because I think my brain was going towards things I wish I had had, or I keep saying I'm going to get, so on and so forth. Which, first and foremost, as I take everything out, is a what would you call it? A tumbler bag that you can
Yeah,
carry with you to
drink
put
bag holder.
your yeah, even this
Yep. And just
inside of it. Yeah, and it
hold it
has
up
a
a little
front
bit.
pocket.
So,
Well, there's also something in it right now.
so
But
just
yeah.
in there, just like
Yep.
that.
Yep, that was $5. They had all kinds of different colors and so on and so forth. It does have a front pocket for your phone or whatever. I'm always either
Just hold
having
it up a little
sorry,
bit.
forgetting again. I'm always having to either ask him to put a bunch of stuff in his pockets or I'm carrying little bags around with me and this just seemed a little bit more practical. It's waterproof, so on and so forth. Also inside, if I can get them out. I love these because on our last cruise, I managed to break a glass of red wine all over the room. Was having what was that? Wait, that was our
Yeah.
last cruise. I got it. I
Just
got it.
out.
Yep.
Okay.
Was that the last?
That was the
That was
last
the most
cruise.
recent cruise,
Yep.
right? I mean,
That was on the
thankfully,
Jubilee.
yeah, we got everything else, got everything cleaned up, but I was a little bit panicky, and I saw this. Now this was marked down. I think normally it's $3. This was marked down to $1.50, but I thought this would have been perfect to just. It's flexible. I can pack it with other stuff, pack my socks in it, whatever, and it would have just been unbreakable, as it's called, a lot better than breaking the wine glass. Not that I do that a lot, but
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
and there was
Oh,
also a tumbler.
it's a lot thicker too.
Yeah, yeah. And there's a tumbler as well. I don't know for. I guess depends on what you like to drink.
Oh wow,
That's
even
thicker.
that's even
Yeah.
thicker. Yeah.
That one actually makes me nervous that I would knock that one over. But
Well,
who
yeah. I
knows?
mean,
But
I don't think if accidents
But at
happen,
least
you
things
knock
don't
something
break.
over. Yeah, at least they're
Yeah.
not gonna
or
break.
for the bathroom for
That's pretty cool.
anything.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was also $1.50. Then let's see, take that please. Over there. Same theme. I'll just stick with it. And I thought they were kind of cute. Inflatable cup holder. It's just a little blow up. I think this is a fish. I'm assuming. Maybe.
Kind of looks like it might be a fish.
I
Yeah.
mean, this was $1. They had different designs. This was actually not one of the cuter designs, but
Not so very practical while you're on the ship, but I could definitely see using that on the
that's
excursion.
more what I was thinking. Like
Yeah,
if you,
absolutely.
well, yeah, because you really can't use it in the pool or anything. I'm still using the brain of what can I do so I don't spill things. So my brain's
Right.
thinking anywhere we are, even in the room, if I can sit something that keeps things from tipping over. But yeah, I think ideally it would be great on a beach or an excursion.
Yeah, absolutely.
These are, you actually had gotten me these for Christmas a couple years ago, and
Oh
these are
yeah.
reusable sandwich bags, and they are amazing. These, they only had them in one color. You got me a set that had multiple colors,
Men
and
sizes,
yeah,
yeah.
um, I just think they're super handy to have
Yeah, if you want to
everywhere
take
you
like
go with your
cookies or
food.
something back to the room later, or you know,
Sure, for food, I tend
for
to use them for everything.
yeah,
I mean, makeup items or anything, but yeah, practically speaking, food would make the most sense.
and then you can just wash it out when you need to.
Yep. So there's three for $3. So
That's pretty
I
cool.
feel like you can probably find them in a better deal than that.
Yeah,
But,
maybe, but that's not bad though.
yeah. And then my little fingernail clipper that's 360-degree. I cannot speak today. It turns all the way around, so that way you're
Oh,
not trying
that's
to.
kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially when you're in tight spaces. They also had one that had a guard on it to protect any of your clippings from going anywhere, which I would have also really liked to have gotten, but that threw me over the budget. So I really like that one though.
That's neat.
Just thought this was very cute. Contact lens case, and I don't know about other people, but I've been wearing contacts long enough. I've had to change a prescription here and there, and I have so many of the traditional white, side by side
Yeah, this stands
contact
out.
lens. Yeah, that's really what kind of appealed to me about it. Now I haven't taken it out of the case. I couldn't tell you how well the pieces screw together, how durable it is, but it looked cute. There's $1 or $2.
That's pretty
Seemed like a
cool.
cute thing.
These also would make great stocking stuffers.
Well, and originally I had everything in the bag, just try to make it look cute, but that's not how we presented this. So,
The
so other little things. This was actually $3.50. I don't know if it's worth the price. Just a little padlock with keys. I'm always just paranoid about, not paranoid, but I like to think when I'm walking around with purses or bags or anything like that with me that I can lock the zippers together if I need to, or I can kind of just when you're on the
yeah,
beach,
a
to
little bit
attach
extra
something.
security never
Yeah,
helps. It never hurts. I mean, you pip pockets or something like that
yeah,
in your
anything.
front of your bag or something. Yeah. So.
Little lip balm holder that which because I always have chapstick of some kind or another with me, so I just like this because you can just put it in here, clip it on your lanyard or whatever else you might have, and I might use this practically starting tomorrow.
That's pretty cool.
I might not make it to a cruise. And then my two fun finds, I guess, and I guess more expensive of the group was this crystal hair remover. I'm sure this is not a big discovery. I'm sure a lot of other people know about this. It was the first time I had seen it inexpensively, and it's not. It can be used on hair anywhere on your body. We did try it.
She used it on my right leg yesterday, and it took most of the hair off my
Yeah,
right
and
leg.
he's got long, like it's not like it's short hair.
So
So
now I'm unbalanced.
yeah, well, yeah. So I thought it was pretty cool. I know a lot of people are very specific about how they like to shave or remove their hair, but I thought this was an inexpensive option. And I like it too because you can also do it dry or with water. So if you're in a quick fix and you realize you missed a spot, the
Yeah,
butterfly can
that's
come to
pretty
your
neat.
rescue.
It does work.
Yep. And then last but not least, wireless LED light switch. Comes with batteries. It takes 4 AAAs, so at least they're small batteries. It's a light, just but works like a switch. It's got a magnet. It says it's sticky back, peel and stick, and magnetic. Attaches to almost any surface. I guess when you're cruising, again, you wouldn't want to use the peel and stick. Sorry, I'll just put here. You wouldn't want to put the peel and stick. And can't attest to the battery strength yet. We'll find out, but
Yeah.
just seemed kind of ideal.
I could definitely see that when we're on our older ships and
Yeah.
especially interior rooms, where you need something, you can put it down low just to
Right.
flip it on that way.
Well, and I know some of the older ships, maybe my memory's failing me because we've been on a lot of cruises, but the Vision, I feel like it was kind of this idea of keep your bathroom light on so you can find your way to the bathroom at
Yeah,
night.
well, you're
I
not
don't like
knocking your
bathroom,
knee on
yeah,
something.
but I hate having bathroom lights on. I mean, I
Yeah.
just I grew up in a house where if I was flipping the bathroom light on in the middle of the night, I would have woken my parents up. We're kind of in a similar situation. I am so used to finding my way to the bathroom. I
Darker
don't,
the better for you.
yeah,
Yeah.
and I don't like the idea of shining a light on and possibly waking him up. So for me, this is perfect because even if it's along the way, that's not going to wake him up. So,
Right.
oh, I don't know why I
You
keep holding it down.
you definitely got a lot more for your $30 than I
Um,
did.
you mean number of items?
Yeah, as far as quantity. So good job, babe.
Uh,
Good job. That was a lot of fun. I had fun
I
with
did
that one.
pick 3 clearance or items though.
Yeah.
So I
Some of
rules
these I
specific.
didn't. We went to the same store and I didn't see half of these things that you got.
I don't think I saw most of what you got either though.
So
So
yeah, that's kind of funny.
yeah.
Yeah, you spend all this time looking around, and I think we got good deals. We're definitely going to put most of these to the test and see how well they work for us. But again, please tell us. Please leave a comment below. Whose did you like better? I mean, and whose do you think would work better for you? And if you want to see more of these videos, please let us know. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because you really are helping us out a great deal with that. And until next time. Oh, you have something else?
Hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
I know. I'm just
I'm
like
sorry.
you're.
I thought that was your last one. My
It's not
bad.
that I have something else to show. I had the favor to ask our audience.
Oh, okay.
I just want to say if anybody has seen these items, tried them, used them before, and either
Oh, yeah.
loved them
Get
or
it.
you found no, they might look cute, but they're terrible, or you know something about them that is good to know before you use them or have any advice, please don't hesitate to say, nice find, don't use that. 'Cause
Oh,
we'll
yeah.
take that
Great
too.
idea.
That was it. So.
Okay, good. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cut you off or go ahead with it. But without further ado, then, until next time, seize the day.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.